Hi, and welcome to another night of homework. Tonight we're working on page 224. So this is the problem solving for adding and subtracting fractions. So the first question reads, Miss Benson's budget was spent on rent and food. She spent 2/5 of her monthly budget on rent, 3/10 of the monthly budget on food. So I have to figure out how much she spent on rent and food. So since I'm combining these two, that means I'll be adding. I do not have a common denominator, so I'll use my fraction train and do my multiples. My common denominator is 10. So now I'll add 4/10 plus 3/10. So she's spending about 7/10 of her budget on food. All right, let's take a look at number 25. Now for number 25, there's also a chart on how to make a berry smoothie. So if you want to treat yourself to a berry smoothie after you finish your homework, this is how you could do it. So for 25, it says, how much liquid will be in the spoon? Well, what is she putting in the spoon? She's putting lemon juice. So if I look over here at my chart, lemon juice is at 1/2. And she's also putting vanilla extract. That's 1/8. So she's going to put both of them on the spoon. So I need to combine those two together. So I'm combining 1/2 and 1/8. I do my fraction trains. My common denominator is 8. Since I'm combining, I'm going to be adding 4/8 plus 1/8, and that gives me 5/8. All right, and now for a multi-step problem. Multi means I'm going to have more than one step. The question asks, how much olive oil does Tom have left? So I'm thinking subtraction, but let's see what else we're going to have to do here. So it tells me he starts off with 7/8 of a cup. He uses a 1/2 cup, and then he uses another 1/4 of a cup. So I have to figure out how much is left, but first I want to figure out how much is used. So that is why I will combine the amount he used with his salad dressing and the amount he used with his tomato sauce. I do my fraction trains. The common denominator is 4. I'm combining these two, so I'm adding 2/4 plus 1/4 gives me 3/4. Now I have to figure out how much he has left. So he started off with 7/8. He used 3/4. I'll do my fraction trains. My common denominator is 8. And then I'll do 7/8 minus 6/8. So he has 1/8 left. Please complete the rest of the problems. Have a good night.